Hello everyone, today I am going to explain you how to use Windows aggregate functions using over and partition by in SQL Server. This is the syntax to use aggregate functions. Select column names. Here we use 1 and 2. You can use any columns. Aggregate function column name, you can skip this and you can use star also. Over, partition by and order by. Partition by and order by are optional. You can skip these, but over is compulsory to use in Windows aggregate function. Okay. From table name. Now we are using student table as an example. This table contains 12 records and we are going to use marks column to use in aggregate functions. This query returns all rows from the student table including values based on aggregate function. This returns total number of students in the table. This returns total marks for all the students in the table and used marks column to get total marks. Total marks per student. Here we use partition by and student column. Average marks per student. To achieve this, we use partition by and student ID column, and column is used marks. Maximum marks in the entire table, because here we didn't use partition by. Maximum marks per student. This returns minimum marks overall. Okay, and this return minimum marks per student. Okay, let's run this query and check the result. These are all columns which are present in the table, and these are all new columns based on the query. Total number of students in the table is 12. Total marks 934. Total marks per student. For student 1, this is 291.5. For student 2, this is 336.5. For student 3, this is 306. Average marks per student. For student 1, this is 72.875. For student 2, this is 84.125. And for student 3, this is 76.5. Okay. Overall maximum marks here 99. Maximum marks per student. For student 1, this is 80.5. For student 2, maximum marks 90. For student 3, this is 99. Here minimum marks, overall minimum marks here 42. Okay, minimum marks per student 56. For student 1. For student 2, this is 75.5, and for student 3, this is 42. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget like and subscribe.